Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the sweetest moments shared by Kylie Jenner and her little ones, Stormi and Aire. The youngest of the Kardashian-Jenner clan has always been known for giving fans an intimate look at her life as a mother, and this time, she melted hearts everywhere by sharing adorable glimpses of her kids enjoying a fun bubble bath. Kylie Jenner may be a global beauty mogul and reality TV star, but when it comes to her children, she makes sure the world sees her soft and nurturing side. Stormi, who is already growing up to be quite the little fashionista, and Aire, who continues to capture fans with his cuteness, stole the spotlight in this cozy at-home moment. The bubble bath snaps highlighted the simple joys of motherhood, away from the flashing cameras, red carpets, and high-profile events. The photos and short clips showed Stormi and Aire giggling and splashing around, surrounded by bubbly foam. Fans were quick to comment on how grown-up Stormi looks and how adorable Aire is getting by the day. Many even pointed out how much Aire resembles his dad, Travis Scott, while Stormi continues to be Kylie's little twin. What makes this glimpse so special is how Kylie balances her glamorous lifestyle with her role as a mom. Even though she's running a billion-dollar beauty empire and often in the public eye, she continues to share snippets that show her kids are her #1 priority. The bubble bath moment felt relatable to parents everywhere, a reminder that sometimes the happiest memories are made in the simplest settings. Of course, the internet lit up with reactions. Fans on social media expressed how much they love seeing Kylie in her mom era, praising her for letting her kids enjoy a normal and playful childhood despite growing up in such a high-profile family. For Kylie, moments like these aren't just about showing her children to the world, but about celebrating the little milestones of their childhood. Whether it's Stormi's cheeky smiles or Aire's baby giggles, these glimpses allow fans to feel closer to her journey as a mother. At the end of the day, these bubble bath clips served as another reminder that behind the fame and fortune, Kylie Jenner is just a loving mom cherishing every second with her children. And that's what makes fans connect with her more. Not just the luxury or the beauty empire, but the genuine, heartwarming moments she chooses to share. So, what do you think about Kylie's sweet bubble bath update with Stormi and Aire? Do you love seeing these candid family moments as much as fans do? Don't forget to subscribe, drop your thoughts in the comments, and share this story with your friends who also love keeping up with the Jenner Kardashian family.